Welcome. Thank you for joining me. Getting your own medical bills and medical records from the hospital and your other medical treatment providers. Today's video is about how to help yourself get a quicker, more lucrative, more just, and less stressful result for your personal injury case by doing a small nuance that helps early in the process. You're sowing a seed that will later give you great profits. My name is Matt Hamilton. I'm a personal injury attorney, and today we're talking about a small but important part of your case. Early in the process, you've undergone, or a loved one of yours has undergone, some medical treatment. And there have been bills for it, and there are medical records for it. These medical records are critical to the success of your case. But there's an important difference. Your personal injury lawyer will be able to request and get all of those records to you. But even if that occurs at some point in the process, you are better off getting your own medical records and your own medical bills from your own medical treatment providers. Why? We will tell you. But the first thing you need to know is make a list of all your medical treatment providers, your personal care physician, the physician that treats you regularly, the hospital that's treated you, the ambulance service, your physical therapy place, and any other places. Make a list of those, personally go or call them, and request all your records and bills. They will provide you an electronic copy in all likelihood, and that will allow you to get a head start on the case. Let me explain first. There is a delay. Whenever a lawyer requests your medical records or medical bills, those will take between 6 weeks and 3, 4, sometimes 5 months to get it all in. It's outrageous how long it takes. But having spoken to the people that do this for the hospital, they have a priority list. And it's unfortunate to say that when a legal office, a law office like your lawyer requests your records or bills, they're put at the bottom of the stack. And when a medical treatment provider, another doctor, asks for them, they're at the top of the list. And when a patient asks for them, they're at somewhere near the top below the doctors. Well, the sooner you get your records, the better off you'll be. If you can provide those to your lawyer early in the case, he can accentuate all the good things about your case, manage all the deficits in your case, and give you a quicker, more effective result. So speed is the virtue number one. Virtue number two is money. These medical treatment providers charge lawyers a whole bunch of money to get your medical records and bills. The lawyers are, by law, required to pass on that cost to you in something called litigation costs. Well, if your case is of medium or low value, that can be a substantial percentage of the total take that you get it on at the end. You need to decide what your time is worth. But if you're talking hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars, sometimes thousands of dollars, getting your own medical bills and medical records can be a real benefit to you. So cost is a big difference, because when you're a patient, they will either charge you a nominal amount or they'll charge you nothing whatsoever. Save yourself some money, keep it in your own pocket, get your own medical records and bills, okay? And the third is this increases the strategy and planning of your case. By increasing the time that your lawyer has to prepare for your medical issues, you'll be able to get a better case strategy early in the process. We all have lived our lives and learned things only too late. And we've kicked ourselves saying, gosh, if I only knew that a week ago or a month ago or 5 years ago, what a difference my life would make. Well, a personal injury case can take years to do. So the sooner you know about issues, whether they're bad or good, the more benefit you'll have from it. So getting your own medical records and bills early in the process and providing those to the lawyer, while that is not necessary, and you're not required to do it. If you don't want to, the law office will do it. We regularly do it and don't even mention it to people. But if you get your own records and bills, your case will be better off. Well, that's a tip. I'm Matt Hamilton. If you want additional details, I want you to go visit my website, and I provide many of them for you. Also, check out our other series of videos where I present other things that can help you out with your injury case. And finally, if I haven't covered everything in our videos or our website, give me a call at my office. I'd be happy to help with whatever I can. I'm Matt Hamilton, and thank you again for joining me.